Hey, what's up, everybody? Let's go ahead and unpack this 1957 Ford Hardtop by AMT. I just recently got my hands on this kit. Beautiful artwork. AMT Corporation, Troy, Michigan, United States. Check that out. It's awesome. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, we have the kit still in its bag, but I know the side's open right there. And we got the chrome still sealed. We're going to keep this sealed until we're ready to work on this kit. The instructions. Yeah, I had a feeling the waterside decals are right there. Here we have, let's look at the decals here. We have Flashback, Ford, Slicks by MH, Goodyear, Schaefer. Pretty neat. I wonder if these will work. I've never used them. I know I watch videos and people say, oh, they're not good. They don't, they're useless. But who knows? You guys let me know in the comments if you guys have been successful with the waterside decals. Here are the instructions. We got the engine, wheels, interior, doors, interior to body, chassis, and the final assembly. I've always loved these layouts right here. Man, I wonder if today, if these were printed out as posters, if people would actually put these on their walls. The animal option. That's funny. But pretty cool with the hinging right there. And you got different styling right here for the custom for the front grille as well. So cool. So let's set this aside over here. Then we see a bunch of wheels. And what's this? A piece of styrene. I wonder, I mean, I'm sure this will come in handy, right? Could use this for something. All right, so let's go ahead and, that's a lot of wheels. I mean, this was an open box kit, so I'm not sure if this is what they would give you, or maybe, these are extras, but we're gonna find out. Let's bust all these out right here. I'm sure you guys are like, nah, man, that's a lot, but who knows? Let's see. We're gonna group them up. I mean, this might be the way it was. I could be wrong. Most likely, I am, because I wasn't around when this was issued. First time in my possession, right here. But very happy. This is like a nice nostalgic piece right here that takes me back to a time where I did not exist. But it makes me wonder. All right, let's see. Oh, what? All right. So I'm thinking, is that the combo right there? Maybe like that, or like this. And this is just one extra wheel. I don't know. You guys let me know. So we got wheels. We also have the glass. Hey, the glass looks pretty clean. For being in there, in the box, no plastic, nothing covering it. This actually looks really good right here. Really impressed with this. So that's nice. It always sucks when you have like a scratch in there. Oh, then we can't forget about our tail lights. So let's see. I don't know if it's this way or this way. Yeah, I think it's this way. Here we go. So you got the different stylings right there. Super nice as well. I like that they're all still on their sprue holder. The tree. We got the chrome. A lot of different things right there. All right, let's uncover this. So the bag's open, but why not? Let's just pull this stuff out. I mean, that's why we're doing this, right? Let's bust it out. All right, let's be careful here. We don't want to damage after all these years, right? 1970. What is it? 5 or 6? Can't remember what I said. I'll have to check back. But now we're in 2026. It's made it all this way to this point right now. All right. Ooh, look at that. So we have the interior right there. All right. Oh, I see 4 pegs, most likely for some seats or a bench. And here we have the bottom chassis, just fits in there just like a glove. Very nice. All right, let's see the rest of the interior parts. Yeah, they look very clean. All right. So here we have the center console, front bumper, steering wheel, the dashboard. Man, everything looks clean and it's still intact. I'm surprised. Most of the times I get these vintage kits and like everything's already fallen off the tree, you know? But even it still feels pretty sturdy, like pretty strong. After all these years, sometimes they're flimsy, you know? Here we have the seats. So I'm really digging the seats right here. They're really nice. I mean, obviously they're for the kit, but you know, you can always take them off and put them on a different kit. Especially if you're not gonna go the custom route, you're gonna go more stock, and you want to use the bench seats right here. Here's the hood, engine. Nice. Yeah, so very happy with this kit. Am I missing anything? I don't know. Let's double check. All right. So we got instructions, water slide decals, the rear tail lights. The most important thing is the body, interior, the rest of the parts there. More parts here. The chrome, glass, wheels, and the most important, this piece right here, which I do not know what this is for, but most likely it probably just broke off of that or over here. Or I wonder if this was intact with the chassis. Or maybe yeah, possibly. Who knows? But anyway, it's all here. Happy with that. And this is the 1957 Ford Hardtop right here. Pretty rad. Have you guys built this kit? Let me know, because you could either do stock, custom, or drag right there. You guys let me know. So hope you guys enjoy this one. We'll be back with another video soon. All right. Take care, everybody.